All right, let's do this, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome to the new viewers tuning in for the first time. We are continuing our deep dive into Shopify Editions Summer 23, which is their 100 plus product update collection that they're advertising. It came out a few weeks ago. I did a video overviewing, I should say, the most important factors and the most important updates that I saw that'll impact Shopify merchants, Shopify entrepreneurs, and Shopify stores. A lot of these things aren't out yet and won't be out for a while, but some of them are. Some of them aren't very important to Shopify store owners, like app development, for example, is a perfect example. But some of them are, and some of them I think you really take advantage of. So I kind of did an overview video. You can watch it here if you want to get a better understanding of what to expect and what will really impact your small business, not get caught up in all this stuff that sometimes isn't as relevant to you, and only focusing on the things that are relevant for your store, like B2B selling, not relevant to everyone. So I didn't really talk about that, but things like improved analytics with GA4, that is, because everything migrated from Universal Analytics to GA4 about a month ago. So that is very, but in this video today, we are looking into the Shop app. The Shop app optimize your shop store for millions of mobile shoppers, boost engagement, drive conversions on your shop store with customized branding, collections, and more. This is something that is out yet and I was working on. It's a marketplace. It's what it is. It's a mobile marketplace that you can put your online products, your Shopify products on this Shop app, which is an online marketplace, customize the design of the storefront and everything. 3 out of 4 Shop Pay checkouts happen on mobile devices. So this is an entirely online marketplace for mobile. Reach and retain millions of mobile shoppers on the Shop app, where you can personalize your native mobile store and extend your brand in a matter of clicks. Customize your Shop app with rich media headers and showcase your inventory in customizable collections, categories, and navigations. You can try it now. This will bring you to the App Store to download it, or you can click here to learn more, and it brings you to this help doc from the Help Center on the Shop app. There's not that much information on this. It's not super new. I mean, it's not something that's not out yet, for example. I was having a little bit of an issue with it. I think it's a good idea because it's just extending your products and your reach to more channels. If you sell on Shopify, that's one channel. You have your website, that's another channel. If you sell your stuff at a POS in person, that's another channel. If you take your stuff and you sell on Amazon, that's another channel. And now you have, or on Facebook, now you have, that's another channel. Now you have the Shop app. So this is interesting. I mean, I was having a little bit of an issue with it the other day because it was working. It was driving in some sales for me and a lot more reach, of course. But then my analytics for this just went dead, completely dead. And I have no idea why. And I kind of contacted support. I don't know if they really understood like what was going on or if they knew how to fix it. But I mean, like my analytics looked like this, like I'll move this. My analytics looked like this for like a month. You know, it was kind of like this and sales and reach, and it's kind of doing this. It was kind of trending up, which was good. I was like, okay, well, I'll use this. And then it went like this. Oh my God. it went like this to this. So, and I didn't change anything. So something went wrong, and I could see this in my GA4 analytics as well as my Shop app page analytics. So, you know, it's a new feature, I suppose, a new app. Will have its glitches, but that's essentially all it is. You know, if you're looking to extend your marketplace, it might be a good idea. So check out the Shop app. This is the Shop channel right here. It's an app made by and developed by Shopify. So they have full support and overview of everything. It launched in 2020, but I think they're adding a lot more details to it. That's why it's so high up on their editions and why they're promoting it so much. That's kind of all the information we have on that. Again, some of these updates in this Shopify Summer 23 editions has a lot more information on it, and some of them don't. Some products are out, like admin, like app, but some of them aren't out, like the online store editor and Sidekick. They're not out yet. That's one of the main features that they were talking about, Shopify Summer 23 editions. It's one of the highest cards, one of the things they're outlining the most and advertising the most. And so that's all it is. It's an online marketplace to extend your reach, and you can completely control it from within your Shopify dashboard as well in the app. It has its own analytics section for Shop Pay. If you open up the Shop app in your admin, it'll show you Shop Pay analytics and Shop app analytics. I'm sure it's rolling out new features if they're advertising it this well, but that's all it is. If you're looking to extend your reach in a new, creative, online, mobile optimized way, Shop app might be for you. So check it out. It's a free app on the App Store. Set it up, analyze the analytics, see if it helps you. If it doesn't, go from there. We're going to continue our Summer 23 editions deep dive in the next video. This is kind of what I do. I just go over on this channel Shopify updates, Shopify news, Shopify tips and experiences that I've had, trying to build a Shopify community, because you don't have to experience entrepreneurship by yourself. There's a lot of people out there in the same boat. We can kind of all come together and hear from our own stories to get better together and improve and achieve our dreams. So if that's what you're about, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.